In this video, we will show you how to use PDF parsing detailed by line items. The OCR system can parse PDF documents or invoices in different ways. One of them collects data from the header and footer of the invoices, as well as each line item. Let's look at an example. Ashley accountant processes an invoice received from a supplier. The invoice was imported into documentation as a PDF file. In order to make sure that all line item data on the e-invoice will be collected correctly, she checks the supplier's settings. Ashley searches for and selects the document she needs in documentation. She then selects the e-posting OCR workflow from the wizard toolbar. When the workflow is completed, she receives an e-invoices in the Files tab. The received invoice, which was created by importing the e-invoice, has the same number of line items as the original PDF invoice. Note, if you see that the OCR system did not read all the data correctly, when importing the e-invoice into Pantheon, you can manually change or add the data. The OCR system's machine learning feature learns from each invoice imported into Pantheon, and becomes more accurate with each import. Thank you for your attention. For further help or advice, please refer to our consultants.